What is going on out there, peeps? Okay, as usual, Vietnam is a location that, just like Iraq, I'm looking at short term, which is a currency, and long term investments. So every day I study the economy as well as the business sections of both locations. But Vietnam, man, I can't, it's crazy. I cannot begin to explain to you how they have some great investment opportunities over in Vietnam. All right, so look, real quick, you guys, we have Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's the same name as the YouTube channel. In here, we do talk about the Vietnam Dong, the Iraqi dinar, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as other investment opportunities. It is free to join. The link will be in the description. Come join us, all right? In here, though, we only talk about investments, no political stuff, because the problem is NESARA GESARA is in here as well, and NESARA GESARA does have political implications. Over here is where we do all that. This is called the hidden things in front of your eyes. In here we talk about current events as well as political things and those things that most people might consider conspiracy. 9/11, false flag events, the whole 9 yards. Again, the links for both groups are in the description. I will encourage you guys to come and join us. It's free to do so. There's no cost. And you're able to post any questions that you have in there, and the groups are pretty knowledgeable, okay? Let's get into a couple of things that caught my attention about Vietnam. Okay, first of all, Vietnam shrimp exports to surge as demand increases. They actually have shrimp farms, man. I didn't know you can have shrimp farms. I know that sounds crazy in these day and age, but they literally have shrimp farms. And I don't know, I love to go work on there for about a month because I do eat a lot of shrimp. I like it a lot. Anyways, Vietnam shrimp industry expected to increase exports this year, and because of the rise in demand, according to the Vietnam Association of Seafood Exports and Producers. I show you guys this because there are a lot of other companies in which we could invest in. There's an opportunity for that. Prices are also expected to be higher from the beginning of the third quarter in 2020, which is now, because of the low shrimp inventories in a major markets such as Japan, the US, the EU, than in previous months. That's because of the Rona, all right? So I told everybody this. Look, Vietnam really didn't slow down. Their economy would have been much bigger. The problem was they couldn't do any business with other countries because most other countries were closed down. They've managed to handle the Rona better than any other country. I don't think anybody's died there, and they have less than, or maybe slightly over, 300 cases of the coronavirus, something like that. That's crazy. Shrimp supply in China is forecasted to decrease due to the impact of the shrimp disease. Now they have a shrimp disease? Good Lord, they have a beer disease, now they have a shrimp disease. Lockdown in India, which lasted until May, has affected production, leading to an unstable supply. The pandemic also affected the raw shrimp supply of Ecuador, Indonesia, Thailand. The association said so. The exports there have reduced 30% in each of these countries. So this would be obviously a good time to invest in the shrimp market over there in Vietnam. The opportunity for Vietnam to promote its shrimp exports. Farmers are still actively producing raw shrimp to meet enterprises' demands on material for shrimp export processing. Yeah, I told you they have shrimp farms. I don't know why I'm surprised. I mean, seriously, I've seen clam farms in the whole 9 years. I don't know when I seen that they had shrimp farms. I was like, oh, that's weird. Okay, no, it's not. It makes sense. I get it. In addition, businesses have also enjoyed government support packages to help them overcome difficulties caused by the Rona, take advantage of open markets according to commitments in a free trade agreement. So we know that the European Union, their free trade agreement has kicked in. As a matter of fact, it talks about it right here. Shrimp exports to the EU would enjoy preferential tax breaks according to Vietnam's free trade agreement. So yeah, I mean, if the market around the world is hurting that bad, it makes sense to me. These people are ready to rock and roll. Let's move with it. There are a lot of people right now. China is such in a predicament that they're literally picking on fights with all kinds of countries. Japan, India, Vietnam, the Philippines, the United States. You don't know this, but we have 2 battle groups right now inside the South China Sea disputed areas. Yeah, that's what's been happening. We're so busy being distracted with all kinds of other crap that you don't realize that, yeah, we're pretty close to a war. China couldn't handle us if they tried, let alone us teaming up with India. That would be a one-sided ass whipping nobody wants to see. Nonetheless, the point is, what makes Vietnam a great area to invest in? These particular things I'm talking about. The fact that China seems to be at war with the world and people are turning away and taking our companies out of China and moving them into places like Vietnam. All right, so the shrimp industry is definitely benefiting from that. But there's another industry that I told you guys about that if anybody is looking to invest into, you should consider when it comes to Vietnam. That's this one right here, real estate. I told you guys when it comes to real estate, they have relaxed the restrictions on foreign investment when it comes to real estate. So these are right here. There are many listed real estate firms with capitalization value of up to trillions or hundreds of trillions of dong. How I think I got trillions of dong in my pocket. Unless I'm kidding, I don't. Real estate shares have a major impact on the Vietnam index performances with total capitalization of over 1,000 trillion dinars or 23% of the market. So here is a list of companies that you guys can see that you might consider if you're thinking like me. I kid you not. I tell this story every time. I saw a condominium in Vietnam for $1,000 a month, all utilities, everything paid for, had a gym and everything else, and was on a beach. Now it seems kind of steep for Vietnam, but it was a really fancy location. And the fact that everything else is paid for, you just pay a flat $1,000, man, that's a freaking good deal, man. And it's right on the beach. I can just roll out of my bed, into my shorts, and onto the beach. It works that good. Vin Group, with its subsidiary operating in different market segments, including Vin Homes, Vincom, retail, and Vin Pearl. Vin Group is the largest real estate developers in Vietnam. So for those of you thinking about what I'm thinking about, then we should probably consider Vin Group. They have tons of, they're the shell company or the big company, and they have a lot of subsidiaries under them that you could benefit from. Vin Homes, with capitalization value of 251.648 trillion Vietnam dongs, owns 23 high-end real estate projects with 50,500 apartments, villas, and shop houses, including Vin Homes Times City, Vin Homes Royal City, Vin Homes Riverside, Vin Homes Central Park, Vin Homes Marina, and Vin Homes West Point. Obviously, Vin Group is one of the biggest people to invest in real estate-wise over in Vietnam. That's huge. They seem to be the biggest. Novaland, that's one of them as well. You can see right here. I leave a link to all these so you can come check them out. So these are the real estate companies you should think about if you're thinking long-term. Vin Group, Novaland, yeah, I'm going to give this a try. Kang Din, Fat Dat. Now, Fat Dat, for those you don't know, that's a hip-hop group. I'm just kidding, it's not, but Fat Dat would sound good here as a hip-hop clothing line, all right? FLC Group, okay, and Kimchi, meat kimchi. Anyways, so there's these list of the top real estate companies out there right now. So these are the ones that I'm eyeballing. So I was happy to see this list because I've been telling you guys when it comes to Vietnam, you should be thinking past the Vietnam dong once it revalues and you make your money and you're looking for long-term investments. Investing into real estate in Vietnam seems to be the number one area that people should invest in. Vin Group is the largest in Vietnam. That's the one I've been eyeballing, so I was happy to see them on this list. All right, but they're also restricting or loosening the restriction on foreign investors buying directly, and especially when it comes to tourism areas. All right, so they want you to buy them and then improve them, redevelop them, change the way they look. You know what I mean? Renovate them. All right, you guys. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys really quick. Again, Vietnam has both a long-term and short-term probability, which is I'll take the Vietnam Dong on the short term, but once the Vietnam Dong revalues and I've made some money off of it, I'm looking into the real estate area of Vietnam as my long-term investment. And then I'm going to look at the shrimp industry as a place that I want to go eat. That's what I'm that's what I'm looking at. All right, you guys, that's it for Vietnam. I just wanted to share that with you. I keep telling you that the real estate market over there is going to be booming, and you can take advantage of that. All right, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so because it helps out the channel. And when you do, I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later.